So today we'll be talking about uh, let me go back to our group and check what we have today. We'll be talking about
You be like say two of your mic they on.
two. Are you serious? Hold on. Let me check.
But you be like say your voice dey echo.
Let me check. Okay. Oh, hold on.
If you go mute one account.
Hold on. You dey hear me now, ba?
Yeah, I hear you clear now.
So today I'll be talking about technical and fundamental analysis. Technical and fundamental analysis. You get the types of analysis we have. Let me write it down. Be patient. Let me write it down. Types of analysis. Types of analysis. 1, we have technical analysis. Hold on. Technical analysis. Sorry. Sorry, first of all, we have fundamental. Hold on. Let me check who is about to enter. We have fundamental analysis. Fundamental. Analysis. Then we have technical. Fundamental is number 1. Then we have technical. Then we have sentimental. Not everybody uses sentimental, but it's also as important as. No need, make I increase it. I hear you from here. Okay. We have sentimental analysis. As I was saying, sentimental, people don't really value sentimental, but it's as important as these other two analyses also. You get? It's as important as them. So right now, hold on, let me just align these together. Types of analysis. And these 2, these 3. So I'll first of all explain what fundamental analysis is normally. And this is all we'll have today. These types of analysis is what we'll have today. So first of all, what is fundamental analysis? What is fundamental analysis? You get? Hold on, let me write it down. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental. What is fundamental analysis? You guys remember yesterday when I was talking about the key people that affects the market very well. These people that affects the market very well, like the key factor. I don't know how I placed it yesterday, but they are the people that pushes the market. So I mentioned government and central banks. I can remember mentioning government and central banks. So in fundamental analysis, that is where they come in. You get fundamental analysis is just like news. You get news that moves the market. Let's say bank reserves. I told you guys to make research about bank reserve the other day. I don't know if you guys did it, but anyways, it's still the same thing with central banks. You get these are the people that push the market through news. You get what I mean by they push the market through news. After much analysis and everything, let's say now that US, let's take for example, the the US government, they need more oil, they need more gold. Hold on, let me admit someone. Hold on, let me admit someone. Okay, okay, there's no one here. Let's say they need more oil or more gold or more anything or more crypto, or they need a goods from another country. Let's say the goods is more agriculture, let's say more food item like corn or maize or anything. You get they can just come after much analysis that they have done behind the scene. They can just come out openly and say, yes, we are in need of so things. So our reserves, our money, our capital will be venturing into this particular place. You get in this news now, it can be seen. The news can be CPI, the news can be NFP, and the rest of them. It can be in any news. These are when it happens. You get whenever this thing happens, we call this news fundamental analysis. First of all, let me define what fundamental analysis in a normal sense. Okay, this fundamental analysis involves like it involves making research or based on economic and financial or political factor. What I mean by making research on economic, financial or political factor is the government trying to analyze where there is leakage or where there is scarcity of anything in their government, in the people they are governing. You get then when they say this, it affects the entire market, just like the USD, because the USD is the major currency, like is the most dominant currency. If the US government says anything, let's say during the CPI news, they say yes, we will be buying more stock from any country within the country, you will see that US dollar might push a little bit low. It might push a little bit low because of the way the government wants the goods. You get the government will be spending. So as they are buying stuff from from the rest of the countries, you get their their value depreciates a little. That is when if you see CPI, depending on the type of news, depending on the type of need they want, sorry, not news, depending on the type of need they want, they can just say something. That man can just come out and say something. You will see the market dip sharply, like it might reverse sharply to the other side. You get, let's say the market buys to the other side. That means they are buying something. They are buying a product, or they are buying more gold, or they are buying more crypto. It all depends on what they want to buy. And once they make this thing, it is generally called fundamental analysis. That is just the pure definition of it. You get. So let me explain. Let me explain what technical analysis means. Okay, let me hold on. Let me just write it down. Technical analysis. Technical analysis. Okay, I've not written what this one meant. Hold on, hold on. Okay. It involves evaluating this is exactly what it means. No two ways about it. You get. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. Hold on. Okay, I can actually write what's these two. So hold on. Let me write technical analysis. Technical analysis. So, what is technical analysis? Which we will all use very soon. Technical analysis involves past price movement. You get past price movement. You get what do we do in past price movement? We use past price movement to check. We use them to check and try and make meaning to what will happen in the future. Yeah. To check and try and use it to make more meaning to what will happen in the future. You get. So this technical analysis is very simple to understand. You get. The meaning is very simple to understand. As I defined it now, that is exactly the meaning. You get. So the key components in this technical analysis involves charts, indicators, price patterns, support and resistance. You get. These are the key factors, the key components in this technical analysis. Nothing much to explain. Let me write the meaning. So you guys will get everything together. Okay. It focus more. Let me use focus. Focus on the past price movement. Sorry. Past price movement. Patterns and indicators to determine future price. Future price. Behavior. That is exactly what it means. Then let's maybe just write the components. I think there's no need because we'll be looking into all this one soon. So, what is sentimental? Sentimental is really not important. I really don't want to go into sentimental, but because of the video, I will have to just explain because I already wrote it down. You get. So, sentimental analysis. Hold on, sorry. Yeah, I'm still right. Sentimental analysis. So, this sentimental analysis is a very simple one. You know, when somebody has a mood, let's say one of us here, let's use Grace for example, has different mood swings. Just she's a girl, yes. Let's use her as an example. Girls normally have mood swings. Sorry for that, but that's the obvious truth. So let's say Grace has a mood today. Grace mood today and Grace moods tomorrow. It's not the same. Hold on. Sorry about that. Grace moods today and Grace moods tomorrow can never be the same. You get. So sentimental only holds on mood and psychology of the market. That is it. It only holds like on mood and psychology of the market. You get. Then it has the components and every other thing, which is the market sentimental indicators, social media news, and the rest of them. You get, it's not really important, but we need to know them because I've already written them down, and it is type of the analysis, types of the major analysis. You get types of the major analysis. Okay, so let me just write it down. Then let's proceed. It's involves, sorry, let me make it make more sense. It involves the market, the market moves and moods or psychology. Sorry, that is just it. That is just it. You get. So with these definitions, you get, with these definitions, we are good for today. You get. It is a very simple one, so you guys should just digest the meaning. This fundamental analysis, I'll be showing you the website. I'll be mentioning the website in the next video. In the next video, so all of us can know where to see our news when it is about to come. Wait, it is called Forex Factory. You can go, you can search it up. You can search it right now. It is called Forex Factory. Let me just brief this one, Forex Factory, where you can see the most active news. Forex Factory, FX Forex Factory, FX Forex. Hold on, let me check if I'm correct. So let me just browse it up a little. Forex Factory. Okay, yes, it is correct. It is correct. We're not FX Forex Factory. It is just Forex Factory. So if you search up this website, there you can see the news. You get, go to the section of the news. There you can see how the news will take place. What pair would the news occur mostly? Any candle, any folder you see that is red, that means the folder, there will be a high impact in that folder. You get, high impact, sorry, in the pair, not the folder. There will be a high impact in the news of that pair. You get, any news that you see, you get, any news that you see that has that red folder, it has to be heavy. You get, on the pair, it has to be heavy on the pair. You get. So that will be the end of the class. I know the class is a bit short, but that is exactly what it has to be. You get. So the next class will start with technical analysis. You get, technical analysis. That is where we'll start. We'll cover up the technical in fact, that will be the beginning of technical analysis. That will be the beginning of technical analysis, and then there I will welcome you guys to what trading is, because from there, from your technical analysis, you will start analyzing the market yourselves. That is when you will start seeing what I am seeing every now and then. You get. So let's end the class today. This is the end of the class. Peace, guys. I'll upload the video in few hours, so you guys can hold on for the video.